You probably already know that castor oil is very helpful for hair growth. But what few people know is that it's also excellent for relieving muscle pain and even helps with joint pain. And that's not all. In today's video, we'll tell you more about all these benefits. Castor oil is very easy to find, not to mention that it's cheap. Castor oil has been around for a long time and has been widely used for medicinal purposes. It's one of the first vegetable oils that was used industrially, both for therapeutic and cosmetic purposes. Along with coconut oil, castor oil has also become one of the most popular oils. Find out why in today's video. The health benefits of castor oil that hardly anyone knows. Accelerates wound healing. Applying castor oil to wounds improves the healing process. Castor oil stimulates tissue growth and even protects the skin by creating a protective barrier, reducing the risk of infection. A study that examined the healing of bed sores in 861 nursing home residents showed that wounds treated with castor oil ointment healed faster and had a shorter healing time. Eliminates warts. Castor oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties that are very helpful in treating this problem. This oil treats the affected area and restores the skin. Before applying it, you need to wash the wart area thoroughly. Then, using a cotton swab, apply castor oil to the warts. Repeat the procedure 3 times a day. It usually takes 3 days to 3 weeks for the warts to dissolve. It also helps to dissolve calluses on feet and hands. Treats joint pain. Due to its analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties, it's suitable for the treatment of diseases such as arthritis and tendinitis. In cases of arthritis, massaging the region twice a week will give better results. Studies have shown that castor oil, when applied topically, reduces inflammation and relieves pain. In addition, another study showed that treatment with a gel containing ricinoleic acid resulted in significant reduction in pain and inflammation when applied to the skin compared to other treatments. Castor oil is also good for your nails, especially for those who suffer from brittle nails and dry cuticles. Applying castor oil can make all the difference, as it moisturizes and combats the negative effects of cleaning products and disinfectants. It's important to know that castor oil cannot be applied directly to the skin. It should be diluted with a carrier oil such as coconut oil or olive oil. Recommended ratio 1:1. It's worth remembering that sun exposure after using the oil is also not recommended. As for the hair, castor oil stimulates the scalp and the hair follicles, making it grow faster. It also improves the overall appearance of the hair by sealing the cuticles and eliminating split ends. It also moisturizes the hair, prevents dehydration and dandruff. If you've made it this far, tell me what you think of these uses of castor oil and how many stars it deserves. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.